Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your go-to source for all things prop trading. Today, we're diving into a firm that's been turning heads in the prop trading world, Alpac Cap. They're a relatively new player, but trust me, they've been making serious waves since their start in early 2023. In today's video, I'll break down everything you need to know about their trading program, key features, and why traders are flocking to this firm. Stick around till the end for an exclusive discount code to get you started. 1. What is Alpac Cap? Let's start with the basics. Alpac Cap was founded in February 2023 and is based out of Geneva, Switzerland. They've quickly gained traction in the industry, offering robust funding options for traders who are looking for serious capital to work with. What really sets them apart is their solid reputation for delivering top-notch trading conditions and support. Key points. Founded February 2023. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Reputation gaining popularity among both beginner and experienced traders. A program offers a single funding option with account sizes ranging from $15,000 to $200,000. 2. Key features of the Alpac Cap funding program. Their funding model is built around a two-step evaluation process designed to ensure that only skilled traders make it to the funded accounts. Here's how it works. Step 1. You need to hit a profit target of 10% while respecting a 5% daily loss and a 10% maximum overall loss. You have 30 days to achieve this. Step 2. In this phase, your target drops to 5%, but the same risk parameters apply. You get 60 days to complete this phase. Account sizes available: $15,000 to $200,000, meaning both novice and advanced traders have something to work with. 3. Trading rules and profit splits. Once you pass the evaluation phases, you move to a funded account, and that's where things get exciting. Your profit split starts at 80%, but if you perform well, it can go as high as 90%. Key features. Profit target: 10% for Phase 1, 5% for Phase 2. Risk management: 5% daily loss limit, 10% overall loss limit. Profit split: starts at 80%, scales up to 90% based on performance. No minimum withdrawal requirements. 4. Customizable trading add-ons. Alpac Cap goes the extra mile by offering several add-ons that traders can use to customize their experience. 90% profit split add-on. Bump your profit split to 90%, a great choice for experienced traders with solid strategies. Maximum drawdown increase. Allows a 2% boost in your maximum allowable drawdown. Perfect for those running higher risk strategies. No minimum trading days. Eliminate the need to trade a set number of days before moving forward. Ideal for active traders. First payout in 14 days. Get your first payout just 14 days after starting your funded account. Faster than the standard 30-day wait. 5. Trading platforms and instruments. Alpac Cap partnered with ThinkMarkets, a top-tier brokerage, giving traders access to multiple platforms like CTrader, DXTrade, and MaxTrader. With up to 1:100 leverage, you can trade various instruments including Forex pairs, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies. 6. The unique Alpac Cap Trader Dashboard. Once you pass the evaluation and are on a funded account, Alpac Cap offers a specialized trader dashboard. This dashboard is designed to give real-time updates on your performance, risk metrics, and trading statistics. It's a great tool for keeping your risk management on point and tracking your objectives. 7. Why choose Alpac Cap? Now, what really makes Alpac Cap stand out from other firms in the space? 1. Single account type. While many firms offer various account types, Alpac Cap focuses on a single, customizable two-step program. 2. Customizable add-ons. Traders can adapt the evaluation process to their strategy and goals with add-ons. 3. Realistic trading objectives. The 5% and 10% loss limits are very manageable compared to some of the stricter firms in the industry. 4. Partnered with ThinkMarkets. A highly reputable broker ensures access to a wide range of markets with excellent execution speeds. So, is Alpac Cap worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a reputable firm with solid trading conditions, realistic profit goals, and customizable add-ons to suit your style, Alpac Cap is a fantastic option. Plus, they're continuing to grow and evolve, so expect even more features to come down the line. Don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive discount code if you're ready to take the leap. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop on all things prop trading. Until next time, happy trading!